Hey Year 4, welcome to another phonics session with me, Mr. Spencer. We are going to carry on looking at suffixes, which we've started a few weeks ago now, and we're going to see which new suffixes we're going to learn about today. Before we look at the upcoming suffixes, we'll have a quick recap of ones we've already done. So you'll notice on the screen in front of you, you have the suffixes full, ment, ness, less, s, and s. Okay. For a quick start activity, what you can do, if you'd like, is can you write a word that includes, or rather a word for each of those suffixes. Okay, so for example, helpful, helpless. Okay, that's just two examples. Try and come up with your own. Okay, today so we are looking first off at the suffix okay, that is spelt with the two simple letters of E and R, okay, and it makes that sound. I'm going to explore what that sound looks like in words and how we can apply that to different root words. So as you can see here, okay, we have two words, okay, we have read and we have reader, okay, that's where we've added the sound to the root word, okay, to show what that boy is doing. Okay, he's a reader of that book. Okay, you're quite simply just adding the suffix to the root word. Same again applies here. So the boy, there's a ball coming towards him, okay, and he's wanting to catch it. Okay, if he is able to catch that ball successfully, he is a catcher. Okay, the suffix again is just added to the root word of catch. So as we've already looked at, okay, the action is read, the person doing the action is a reader, okay. So when we are adding the sound to a noun, okay, it shows that something is happening, that there's an action going on, okay. So another example again would be the catch is the action, and the person doing the catching is a catcher, okay. As you can see here, there are 8 arrows that are coming off from the suffix in the middle of your screen. First challenge, can you write up to 8 words that include the suffix at the end? Okay. Think carefully about what things we've already looked at and anything around your house that might be able to help you with this task. Okay. Pause this video here so you can complete this task as I am going to move on. Okay, the next few slides are nice and simple, just a few sort of guessing games that include using words that have the suffix at the end. So the first guess, for the first job then, I teach children how to read and write. Big hint, I am one of these, as is somebody else that looks after your class. Write down the answer in your books. Next person, for what is my job then? I use my voice to sing songs. Okay, have a think of what word you will need to answer this question correctly. What is my job here? I clean up and make sure everywhere is tidy. Okay, again, think about what suffix what you're going to add to what root word. Next one, I build new houses and repair old ones. Okay. Now I'm going to move on to the suffix est. Okay, so it makes it sound est. Okay, it sort of blends onto one word, and again it has a different meaning because it changes the meaning of the root word. Okay, we've got a task we're looking for this here. Okay, where the suffix est makes a massive sort of understanding for you. So, for example, it's the village show. Can you help to judge the winner of each category, explaining why you think your choice should win, using a word ending in the suffix est? Okay, so you've got 4 competitions there. You've got the fruit and vegetable competition, the cake competition, the flower competition, and the dog show. Okay, what you'll notice, there are 3 contestants in each competition. Okay, now what's useful about these sets of competitions is that the winner is completely up to you for whatever reason you choose. Okay, however, the reason that you are choosing one of the contestants to win, when you're explaining your winner, one of your root words must end in est. Okay, so for example, and you now cannot steal this one because I'm giving it to you. If you were looking at the fruit and vegetable competition, you might want to choose broccoli as the winner, which is number 3. And you could choose this because it is the greenest, okay, which shows it has the most green, okay. So what I want you to do is, for your main task here, to choose a winner from all 4 competitions and explain in a sentence why they are winner using a root word you added the est suffix to. Some examples that you could have had then. So the same one that I chose for the first one. Second one, the winner is entry number 3 because it's the prettiest, so that could be for the cake competition. If you're looking at the flowers, the winner entry could be number 2 because it is the tallest. And for the dog show, you might have chosen number 1 because they are the cutest, okay? These are not the only answers that you can have, so do not worry if these are not the answers that you have in your book. Be sure to share all of these wonderful answers that you do have with your class teacher, okay? Well done.